Wait, what? Anupam Kher's face on a rupees 500 note. Yes, you heard that right. A shocking gold scam in Gujarat just took a bizarre Bollywood twist that will leave you speechless. This is one scam you won't believe. Imagine trading in gold worth crores only to find out you have been handed rupees 500 notes featuring Bollywood actor Anupam Kher's face instead of Mahatma Gandhi's. This jaw-dropping fraud went down in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and it is wild. So, what happened? A trader, Mehul Thakkar, sent his employee Bharat Joshi to close a business deal with two men for a whopping 2100 grams of gold valued at 1.6 crore. Now, Thakkar had a trusted relationship with Prashant Patel, a jewelry shop manager who set up the meeting. Patel told Thakkar that while the buyers could not pay the full amount immediately, they could cough up rupees 1.3 crore in cash and promise the remaining 30 lakh rupees the next day. Sounds like a solid deal, right? Well, think again. Joshi met the buyers at their temporary office in Navrangpura and everything seemed fine. The men handed over 26 bundles of rupees 500 notes and even instructed Joshi to count the cash using a machine while they went to grab the rest. But here is where it gets crazy. Upon closer inspection, Joshi discovered something fishy. The notes had Anupam Kher's face instead of Mahatma Gandhi's. Can you imagine the shock? By the time Joshi figured out the scam, the men had vanished, taking the gold with them. Thakkar wasted no time and filed a complaint with the police, who are now hot on the trail of these fraudsters. CCTV footage has been combed through and the chase is on. But that's not all. When Anupam Kher got wind of the scam, he took to Instagram and reacted in the best possible way. With humor, he posted, "लो जी कर लो बात, 500 के नोट पर गांधी जी की जगह मेरी फोटो, कुछ भी हो सकता है." While the investigation continues and the suspects remain at large, this case has crossed all epic standards. Anupam Kher's light-hearted response has gone viral, leaving people both shocked and amused by the audacity of it all.